To turn on screen recording on your iPhone 16 or 17, what you do is at first you have to open the control center. Then here there is screen recording icon. Tap on it and within 3 seconds the screen will start to record. Now tap and hold on this screen recording, and from here you can either turn microphone on or microphone off. Now to stop screen recording, just tap on this screen recording button again and the screen recording will stop. Now in case if you are not able to find the screen recording button in the control center of your iPhone, then what you do is once you have opened the control center, you will see this plus icon on the upper left corner. Tap on it, select this option add a control, and from here you can add this option screen recording, and you will find the screen recording option in the control center of your iPhone.